Levels of organization learning points. Name the levels of organization in the correct order. Describe and write a definition for each level. Give linked examples for each level. What does the levels of organization mean? The body has layers of features and processes which build on each other to carry out a certain function. The body is highly organized and follows a hierarchy, from the simple cell to the complexity of a whole organism. Cell, the smallest unit of life, e.g., a muscle cell. Tissue, a group of similar cells in the same place with the same function, e.g., muscle tissue. Organ, a group of tissues in the same place with the same role, e.g., the heart. Organ system, two or more organs working together to carry out a function, e.g., the circulatory system. Organism, a living being, e.g., you or me.